students, welcome back to my class. This is Vijay Lakshmi Naik. Today we are going to deal with class 8th English poem The Ant and the Cricket. The Ant and the Cricket is a fable written in the form of poem by Greek writer Aesop. A fable is a short story in which animals behave like humans and convey a message. This poem is a story of two insects, a cricket and an ant. The cricket is silly that does not care about future and keeps enjoying the summer season rather than collecting food and making a shelter for itself. On the other hand, the ant is wise. Instead of wasting time, it collects food for the winter season and makes shelter for itself. So let us learn the poem.
Once there was a foolish young cricket. It was his habit to pass the sunny months of summer and spring in singing. But when winter came, he began to grumble. There was nothing to eat. His cupboard at his home was empty. The cricket did not find any food in winter. There was ice everywhere. Neither a flower nor a leaf on a tree could be seen. Then he said, "What will become of me?" At last, the cricket came on the verge of death. He was dying of hunger, so he took courage. Wet with rain and shivering with cold, he went to a miserly ant. He wanted to know if the ant would help him keep alive. The cricket requested the ant to give him protection from rain, and he also wanted a small quantity of food. He wished only to borrow. His intention was to repay the debt soon. He said that if the ant was not kind, he would die. The ant said to the cricket, "I am your servant and friend. However, it is our principle that we neither borrow nor lend." "But, dear cricket, did you not save anything for the bad weather during the warm days?" The cricket said that he did not. "I felt so light at heart that I sang and sang all through the day and night. And every object of nature seemed very happy." The ant said, "Sir, if you passed the summer in singing, now go and pass away winter by singing and dancing." By saying this, the ant closed the door. So the poor young cricket came out of the ant's house. Actually, people say that it is a story with a moral, but the poet believes it is true. He says that there are people in the world who behave like that cricket of the story.
Okay students, I hope you have understood the poem very well. So let's meet in the next class. Bye and have a nice day.